I have been using my Xiaomi phone for the past 2 years, and in this video I am going to be giving you a review showing you how I have actually been using this device for almost 3 years. The phone was launched in January 2023. I copped it 4 to 5 months later, so that makes it a good 2 years and 8 months that I have been using this device. Reason why I am doing this video is because I want to highlight how solid this device is, and I am the #1 person that I know that uses tech devices for the longest time. I have used phones for 5-6 years. This particular phone I have used for 3 years now, and the reason why I'm doing this now is because this is the month of January 2026. This particular device was launched in January 2023, making it the 3rd year anniversary, or the 3-year anniversary of this device.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
I filmed the intro of this video using the back-facing camera, the 4K quality. Right now what you are seeing is the front-facing camera in 1080p. Unfortunately, this phone does not film 4K for the front camera, but it is still good. Tell me what you think about the quality. And I'm going to be putting on my wig and doing my makeup with the time-lapse feature on this video. And once I am done, I'm going to do the big reveal using the slow motion feature on the same device. I'm done testing the slow motion features and the time lapse on my Redmi. My hair is done, my face is beat. I'm going to take off my mic to see what the inbuilt mic of my phone sounds like. This is what the inbuilt mic of the Redmi sounds like. Tell me what you think. Tell me if it is passable. Tell me if no, you cannot do anything with the phone without a mic. And on the screen, I'm going to be showing you pictures that I have been taking over the years with this particular phone. showing you the quality, what the portrait, the selfies, everything, videographic or photographic, what everything looks like on this phone. Tell me what you think of the camera quality, the photo quality. At the end of this video, tell me what you think of the Redmi Note 12 Pro. If you feel like it is a good buy still in 2025-2026. This phone was released in January 2023 and I got it a few months later. It has been holding up like crazy. I also want to give a big shout out to Xiaomi because they make amazing technological products. Their techs are off the chain and also at affordable prices. On the screen, you are going to be seeing all the Redmi products that we have in the house right now. My mom is a big fan of Xiaomi. She got the Redmi 10C in 2023 as well. And right now, she is also using the Redmi 15C, which was released in September 2025. She also got it in September 2025. Something else I want to highlight is I have never used devices in my life whereby the charging breaks last just as long as the phones, maybe even longer. Because my mom has almost destroyed her Redmi 10C. The speaker doesn't work right now, but the charger break is still going strong. The cords are nowhere to be found right now. We are not using the original cords that came with the brakes, but the brakes are still going strong. In the house, we have the 67-watt brake, the 33-watt, and lastly, my own charging brake, which is the 120-watt. Shout out to Xiaomi for making amazing durable products that are also affordable. Let me quickly talk about the battery of this particular device, especially battery degradation. In the past 2 years, almost 3 years of using this device, I would admit that yes, there has been degradation, but it is extremely minimal. I have used devices in the past that maybe after this lengthy period of time, batteries will be weak. You will charge your phone to 100%, use it lightly for about maybe an hour or two, it's at 50%. Maybe if it gets hot a bit, from 50%, it will trip off. When you try to power it back on, you see that your battery bar is empty. That has not happened with this device, and I don't see that's happening anytime soon because the battery, like I said, still strong. Definite noticeable degradation, but it is extremely minimal. Fast charging still what it used to be, and I'm very happy with how it moves, and I definitely am going to be using Xiaomi products, Xiaomi tech devices, Android phones, tablets moving forward because I love its durability. If you love this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Share if you care. See you in my next one. Choose.